Hello students, this is our first class for English literature and the chapter that we are going to begin with is the very first poem in our English literature book under the title Stars. Yes, we all know about stars and we all know the shape very well. Let us find out how in this poem two different stars are talking to each other and thinking about each other. The poem begins with an information which says plants and animals communicate too. Yes, plants also talk. Animals also talk. Although they may not use the language similar to us, still they make certain signs and symbols telling us that they want to speak something. How many of you have pets at home? Yes, if you have a dog or another pet at home, you very well know when a dog waves its tail, it is to express love and affection towards you. In the similar manner, many things in nature do make certain gestures and certain sounds through which they try to show what they are actually feeling. This poem is about two different stars. One is the star in the sky above. Yes, remember Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Yes, the star in the sky and the starfish. Most of you know about the starfish also. Starfish is a sea animal more like a star-shaped creature which is found in the oceans and sometimes on the shore. Let us find out through this poem how these two stars, the star in the sky and the star inside the sea, are talking to are thinking about are thinking about each other, and while looking at each other, what are the feelings that are coming into their mind. So, to begin with, let us now read out the poem lines one by one. The star looked down at the deep, dark sea, and he thought to himself, is that a twin to me? Shining so brightly there below. So it says the star which is in the sky was looking down. And where the star was looking? It was looking at the other star which was a starfish. And the star in the sky came to a surprise as this creature, this starfish, is looking like me. But how is it possible? I live in the sky. How a star can live so deep on the earth? Then he pondered and then he decided no, that couldn't be true, for I am so high. And besides, all stars live up in the sky. And he pondered. Pondered means he thought. He stressed on something and he said, no, no, no. This star which I am seeing in the ocean deep below on the earth cannot be a star. After all, I am a star and I live in the sky. Star cannot live on earth. Therefore, it is not a star. And the starfish below looked up to the sky. The starfish also, which is in the sea, was thinking about the star in the sky. And the starfish said, "Why, that's a brother of mine, pinned up so high." And the starfish also was much confused as how is it possible a brother of mine is living so high? All the starfishes live in the sea. She, the starfish, has never seen the star in the sky. So the starfish is also confused as how come a starfish can live in the sky. But then he thought. Who thought? The starfish. But then he thought, how could that be? For everyone knows stars live in the sea. Everybody knows stars live in the sea. Starfish like me live in the sea. So, both stars fell asleep, each in his blue, and neither one questioned, so neither one knew. So the starfish said to itself that this is not possible that stars live in the sky also, because I am also a star and I live in the sea. This is not possible that what I am seeing in the sky is also a star. No, no, no. That is not a star. So both fell asleep, each in his blue. So both the stars, the star of the sky and the star of the sea, both fell asleep in their blue. Means they slept in their home, and both did not ask each other as to who are you. And because neither one questioned, so neither one knew. Neither they both asked each other, nor they both got to know that how come the star of a sky is so high and the star of the sea is so deep. I hope you have understood the meaning of the poem. For more work, I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.